parent tired of seeing your kids watching cartoons and playing video games all day long in the summer vacation? Don't worry, we are here with a solution. Introduce your kids with TinkerCoders' wide range of DIY kits. These kits are not only just toys, these are the great way of creativity, critical thinking and problem solving, and they also enhance your kids' overall learning and understanding capabilities. We also offer a complimentary session along with these DIY kits so that your kids can bring their imagination to reality with ease. Contact us today to unlock your child's creativity this summer vacation. So, happy tinkering and happy summer vacation to all the parents and kids out there.